Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the email address on your Stripe account using your phone. Whether you need to update your contact info or switch to a new email, I've got you covered. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Now navigate to the stripe.com official website. Now simply log in and go to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard of your account, you're gonna go to the settings menu. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Again, choose settings option. In the settings menu, you can see the profile option, so tap on it. Here you will see all of your profile details. So now, in order to change your email, here in the user section, you can see the edit option. Tap on it. Now simply tap on the email address field and enter your new email address. After entering your new email address, don't forget to save your changes. Here you can see the save button. Tap on it. Stripe will send you a confirmation email to your new address, so make sure to check your inbox and confirm the change. Tap on send my verification link. Now open your email and look for the message from the Stripe. On the email, it will contain verification link. Here you can see the verify me button. Tap on it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.